Welcome everyone. Question on alkene. The product of the reaction is when vinyl chloride reacts with HCl. Product choices are A. 1,2-dichloroethane, B. 1,1-dichloroethane, C. Ethyl chloride, D. Ethane. Answer is B. 1,1-dichloroethane. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is the vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride reacts with H+ to form two types of carbocations. This is the first type of carbocation which is less stable because it is a primary carbocation. This is the second type of carbocation which is more stable because it is a secondary carbocation and is also stabilized by resonance. This more stable secondary carbocation reacts with Cl- to form 1,1-dichloroethane. So, it is a Markovnikov addition reaction. Thank you for watching this video.